Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card from the Ryanair app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. You open the Ryanair app. And down on the bottom you can see the menu bar, home, my flight, check-in and more. You tap on more. Here you will tap on gift cards. Then you have to select the currency. Here you will see, but we will remain on the euro. You have to select the value. Let's go with 200 euro. And here you can write a message if you would like to. Then you have to add the person's details. Here, his name, his email, then go to checkout. Here you have to give your details, your contact details, your first name, last name, email address, then your phone number. You have to add your card here. And if you're ready, pay now, and then you will have the gift card in your email. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.